Climate change is not only an environmental and economic concern, it also presents problems for our health. As temperature and weather patterns change over time, we could see more instances of diseases carried by organisms like mosquitoes and ticks here in Fairfax County. Infectious diseases that were once considered tropical or subtropical may become commonplace in our region as the geographic range, seasonal distribution, and abundance of these organisms change. The spread of infectious disease is not the only health-related consequence of climate change. In our region, climate change is expected to cause a steady increase in the number of days with high minimum temperatures, or nighttime temperatures that remain above 75 degrees. Sustained heat can be dangerous to those who work outdoors, children who spend time outdoors, the elderly, pregnant women, low-income individuals without access to relief, and those with weakened immune systems. Additionally, many of the greenhouse gases that cause climate change are also air pollutants that can cause or exacerbate respiratory problems like asthma. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Addressing our greenhouse gas emissions now is the right thing to do for everyone's health. You can make a difference. Join the movement within Fairfax County to create and implement a community-wide energy and climate action plan, or CECAP, that benefits everyone. Learn more about climate action in Fairfax County and get involved today. Visit www.fairfaxcounty.gov and search for CECAP.